In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell products on Amazon, a platform that is wonderful for expanding your reach and maximizing sales. Let's get started right away with the essentials you need to kick off your selling journey on Amazon. The first step on this pathway is creating an Amazon Seller Central account. To do this, navigate over to Amazon's seller registration page. At this point, you'll be faced with an important decision: choosing between an individual or a professional selling plan. For those of you selling just a few items here and there, the individual plan might be more economical, with its $0.99 fee per item sold. On the other hand, businesses aiming to sell over 40 items a month will find the professional plan more suitable, as it charges a flat rate of $39.99 per month with no per item fee. Regardless of your choice, you'll need to provide some initial business and personal information, including your bank details, tax information, and details for identity verification. Once your account is up and running, it's time to list your products. If you're selling an item that is already available from another seller, you'll have the option of matching your product to their existing listing. But if your product is entirely new or unique to the platform, you'll need to create a brand new listing. This will involve crafting a detailed and enticing product description, highlighting key features and including high-quality photos. If you're a professional seller, Amazon offers you the advantage of listing products in bulk or even integrating third-party inventory systems for greater efficiency. Next, let's discuss fulfilling customer orders, which is one of the vital components of maintaining smooth operations on Amazon. You have several options here. With Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA for short, Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, and shipping, an incredibly convenient option if you want to focus on other aspects of your business. However, if you prefer retaining control over your shipping process but still wish to qualify for Prime advantages, Seller Fulfilled Prime might be your go-to. This requires you to meet Amazon's rigorous demands for fast and dependable delivery. Alternatively, you can manage everything through Merchant Fulfilled, handling all aspects of order fulfillment from storage to shipping. Lastly, managing your account is crucial for operational success. Amazon's Seller Central platform is your main hub for managing listings, tracking orders, managing inventory, and interacting with customers. Be sure to take the time to familiarize yourself with Amazon's selling policies and guidelines. This knowledge helps avoid bumps along the road and ensures a smooth, compliant selling process. There you have it, a streamlined yet comprehensive look at kickstarting your journey as an Amazon seller. With careful planning and execution, you'll be on your way to achieving your business goals on this vast online marketplace. Good luck with your Amazon venture.